Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. I'm just gonna hop on here really quick and do a little impromptu video on some things that I got at Micheals this morning. So before I get started, I want to apologize for how I look. I have been very under the weather the last few days. I've been sick pretty much since Thursday. So I've been trying to kind of just stay above water. I was pretty much bedridden Friday and part of Thursday, so I'm definitely getting better. My throat feels better. I don't have a fever anymore, so I'm working my way through it, but I still don't look the best. I'm trying. But as some of you may know, I have been working really hard on trying to budget and save money. In 2020, that's kind of one of our goals, is we're trying to budget better and be a little bit smarter with our money. So I've been doing couponing, and I have been doing nothing crazy. I don't do any extreme couponing. I don't buy 70 body washes or hair products or anything like that. I coupon and buy things that I need, and when they're on sale, I buy more of them just so that I can keep them on hand when they're not on sale, so I'm not buying them at full price. So by no means am I any extreme couponer, or do I really know much about couponing, because I'm still trying to get comfortable with it. But I am watching a few people on YouTube. One of my favorites is One Cute Couponer. I still can't say it straight. Or OCC Gang is what she says. I will have her channel linked at the top here, but I watched her video this morning. She went live and was talking about these $4 mystery bags or boxes at Micheals, and I knew I had to at least go and see. So I went to my Micheals just to see if they had any, and they did. So I got 3. I initially got 2, was on my way to checkout. I was so proud of myself. I'm only gonna get 2. And then I saw some more by the front checkout, and one just really caught my eye. They're all just regular brown boxes, so I don't know what would have caught my eye, but it did. So I ended up getting 3. With tax, I ended up paying $13 total for all 3 of these boxes. They are pretty standard size boxes. Nothing super crazy. They're not super big, but generally they're just clearance from the last clearance cycle, so this one would probably be Christmas. But I'm going to open them now and show you guys what I got. I hope that it's at least something exciting. But it was $4 for each one. So I figured it was worth it. I probably don't need any more Christmas decorations. And babe, if you're watching, I'm sorry. But we're saving money because then I don't have to buy any of this stuff full price next year or ever. Okay, well, let's open it. Let's see. So they don't want you to look at them before you buy them, of course. My store actually taped theirs really good. They taped them shut pretty good, so you couldn't even see like in the cracks or anything. Some of the boxes that I saw in some of the other videos that I watched had like little holes in the boxes where the handles were and stuff, and you could kind of peek in a little bit. But my store taped all their handles shut, so you couldn't see. I was only the second person in the store when they opened. They opened at 9 and I was there right at 9. So I was only the second person that even had walked in the store. So there were a ton when I got there. So I would recommend going early in the morning or going, as soon as you can, just because I'm sure they do sell out quick. And if you're in a bigger city, obviously they sell out quicker. I'm not in a small city. Mine is probably about 10 miles from me, so I had to drive to get there a little bit, but it's totally worth it, just to kind of see what they had and experience a little bit. So let's see. Oh, that's so cute. So there's cookie cutters, and this alone was priced at $10. And there's these little ornaments that were priced at $5. There's red ones, green ones. There's a shirt that says, "I work hard so my pet can have a better life. So some of it's not necessarily Christmas, or it's something that they maybe thought could have been a Christmas present. Oh, this is so cute. It's like a little ceramic Christmas tree. It was originally priced at $10. So you can see that this $4 box actually makes it pretty worth it, because then you're getting a bunch of stuff. I mean, it's already paid itself off on just the things that I've gotten so far. But that is so cute. That will go up with my other Christmas decorations with my little house next year. Oh, and I got another house. That's so cute. And it says it lights up. It says it's on right now, so either it is out of batteries. Yeah, it looks like the batteries are dead. So I'll definitely need to get new batteries for it. This is priced at $17. I don't know that I would pay $17 for this. It looks like this is like cardboard, but either way, to each its own. If someone wants to pay that amount of money for it, then more power to you. But that is super cute. It would be cute to just be kept up away from the kids so that it doesn't get broken. And then some more ornaments. Oh, it looks like it says tabletop decor, so not ornaments. Just kidding. There is, ooh, a huge thing of felt ribbon. That is nice. These are generally really expensive too. Yeah, $15 is what this was labeled at. I am so excited, guys. And these are just little presents, like for decoration. There, it looks like there's some Christmas cards. They're $15. Some more ornaments in this one, little mini ornaments. And then there's a bunch of just small little decorations like these that I'll have to come up with an idea on how to use them next year. So if you guys have any ideas on these little, what are they called, picks, then let me know, and maybe I can put them together in some sort of decoration like that. There's a cute little candy cane one. Oh, this one's cute. It's a little trailer. It actually matches the little trailer that I had in my kitchen. I bought it on clearance last year. It was a little trailer just like this, so it actually matches that. That's cute. This is originally $6. There's some ornament hooks, which I always need. I actually just bought a bunch, but I always need these. Somehow they keep going missing. A little train. More cookie cutters at the bottom. Oh, what is this? This looks like almost like a little, like you could hang it, I guess. But it looks almost like a coaster too, like you could use it as a coaster. And then a little sheep. I'll take you guys in the box so you can see it. So that's just what's inside. There's just a bunch of different stuff. I pretty much showed you guys everything that's in here. There's a little nutcracker pick. Ooh, the sparkly pine cones. I love them. Oh, that is so cute. Look how cute that is, guys. That is so cute. So that's all for this box. Let's open another one and see what else we got. Put this stuff back. So they're not super packed full. I know some of them felt more packed full than the other ones. I didn't pick up the really heavy ones. I picked up the lighter ones just because I really don't have a lot of room to store a bunch of stuff. But now that I'm thinking about it, I probably should have picked up the heavier ones because they were probably bigger items rather than a bunch of little stuff that I have to store. But, oh well. So let's bring you guys closer to me. So what are these? Oh, these are little treat bags. It says baked with love. That's so cute. Would be super cute if I baked, which I don't, but maybe I'll try. New year, new me, right? This is tissue paper. Holy cow, that is a lot of tissue paper. 75 pieces of tissue paper. What is the price on this? It doesn't say. But I'm sure that that's quite a bit of money just in that alone. And this is great just to have for like birthday parties and stuff. Just kind of on the back burner. Here's some more ornaments. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a pet costume. You guys look there. Look how cute that is. It was originally priced at $20. This would not fit either one of my pets. For any of you that know my dogs are currently sleeping on the couch over there. I might be able to get it on Nala, but I highly doubt it. She's kind of chunky. So this is always something that I could always donate. I don't really... my next door neighbors have a dog that's kind of that size. So maybe I'll give this to them next year. We'll see. Some more ornaments. Oh, and then there's just a bunch more of those picks that I was telling you guys about. That's cute. And there's another lamb. Oh, this unicorn one Maya will love. She is obsessed with unicorns right now. This looks like it is a garland. That's pretty cute. More ornaments. A Christmas bear, and I don't really know what to do with all of these picks, if I'm being honest. I don't know. I mean, I guess I could put them in plants. I don't really have a lot of plants around the house, but I'm sure I could come up with some sort of idea. Here's another garland. Here's some more of those picks. Let's see. Oh, here's some more of those table decorations. This must have been the boxes that were right next to each other, because they're pretty similar in the same stuff. Oh, there's a couple figurines, some deer. That will go good with my house at the top of my coat rack for next year. I'm trying to create like a little scene, so as we get like more and more little figurines, we'll add them up there. But this is a cute little addition. Some more ribbon. These are tiny treasure. They look like little light bulbs. Christmas lights, but I don't know what I would necessarily do with them. They just look like a choking hazard to me, but we'll see. I might come up with a good idea. Here's another, it looks like that could be, oh, it looks like it's just a figurine that you put up. This was $8 originally. Remember, I paid $4 for this whole box, $4 for this box over here. Oh, this is so cute. It's got the countdown to Christmas, the little squares, and it's a stocking holder. It looks like it's peeled a little bit on the silver part here. I might even be able to fix that. If not, I could probably just paint it. But that is super, super cute. It was originally $30. That's crazy. So I got some more Christmas cards. They were originally $15 as well. Let's see. A couple more cookie cutters down at the bottom. There's some more ornaments down at the bottom. And then it looks like there's just a bunch of picks down here. I think these are so cute. These remind me of Dr. Seuss. I don't know if anybody's seen, I'm assuming most people have seen the Horton Hears a Who. That's what it reminds me of, those little trees. And they're so cute. And then this one's super cute too. It's just a little antler. So let's put all this stuff back and then we'll open the last box. All right, so the last box, let's see what goodies we got. Sorry if you can hear my guinea pigs in the background. Anytime they hear any sort of rustling, they think it's their food or their hay, and they just go wild. So it can be kind of distracting, so I apologize, but it's just them in the background. They are fully fed. They're perfectly fine. They just really like food. So these are some more treat bags baked with love. I guess this is a sign that I should start baking. Holy cow, look at all those ornaments. Those are so cute. It's funny because I was actually thinking about putting a Christmas tree in my kids' room next year because it just kind of brings in the magic of Christmas. I know it's a little bit extra because you really don't need to do it, but I think that it's so magical for the kids to wake up and just see something so pretty and so bright in their room first thing in the morning. No, I won't leave the Christmas lights on at night, overnight. No, I'm not worried that it will catch on fire. I will keep an eye on it. We are all very safe. But during the day or when they want to see it, it's all just about the magic of Christmas. And these little tiny ornaments would look cute on a tiny little tree, or we can always put them on our tree as well. I want to kind of get a bigger tree next year, since if you guys watched my last video, I am donating our tree. I actually did donate our tree. So I want to get a bigger tree this year, for next year. And so all these ornaments will fit perfect. And there's some more picks in here. Oh, there's another antler, so that would be cute to have them together. Oh, it looks like there's a cup in here. It says "Here, Kitty, Kitty" on it. It's a little Christmas one. It was originally $15. This is super cute. I actually know somebody that I think I'm going to send this to because they really like cats, and I think that she would love this. Oh... This is a Christmas decoration, and it says, "I love my mutt." I don't know if you guys can see that. How cute is that? There's these little bells. Oh, there's another one that says, "I love my cat." We don't have a cat, but I do know somebody that does and is obsessed with cats, so I might send that to her as well. The same one that might get this cup. There's some more Christmas cards and some more bells. It looks like another little figurine. Some more bells, some more Christmas presents, some more ribbons. So it looks like a lot of these boxes were kind of the same. I did pick them up in sort of different areas of the store, so they weren't all right next to each other, but it looks like it was kind of the same sort of stuff that they weren't able to get rid of, that they just kind of put in different boxes. Some more garland, but you know what? For $4, it's totally worth it, and it definitely will save me from buying Christmas decorations at even somewhat full price ever. These are my absolute favorite thing to buy during Christmas time. They are really expensive. I think they generally at least charge $5 for this container, but the Christmas tree smell is one of my favorites. Pine is my other favorite, just because I like the smell of pine. Cinnamon is definitely an easy third, but all three of those are just ones that remind me a lot of Christmas, and they're just little sticks that you put on your Christmas tree for a fake Christmas tree, because that's what we have, to try to make it smell a little more like Christmas. Another ornament, or a cookie cutter. I don't know what this is supposed to be. If any of you can tell me what this is. It looks like a crocodile to me, but I don't think that it's a crocodile for Christmas. There's a little tree, and then this cute little mini tree topper. That is so cute. I don't know what I'll put on that because we don't have a tree that small, but I'm sure I can come up with an idea. So that really looks like everything that I got. There's just a bunch of little picks left in here and little things. I think it was totally worth it for $13. I would totally do it again. I'm definitely going to do it every year because I think that it definitely, it was totally worth it. And for $13, I got all of these Christmas decorations that I probably didn't need. Yes, I know. But it saves me from worrying about buying Christmas decorations next year when we get a bigger tree, or when we need more ornaments, or we need this or need that, or need any of that. So I think it was totally worth it. I hope that you guys can get out and go to your Micheals, see if there's anything that are in the $4 mystery boxes or bags. Some stores do bags, mine do boxes. But go out and see if you can find anything good. And just let me know in the comments below if you guys end up going, what you guys end up getting. And please look out for my Motivation Monday cleaning video that will be posted live here in the next couple hours. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.